Alex Hormzis has scaled a portfolio of companies to over $250 million in annual recurring revenue. He then took all of his business knowledge and created an AI business advisor that can help businesses scale past the constraints that are holding back their business. In this series, we're going to be using that exact business advisor to solve all the constraints in your AI Saas app. Using the AI business advisor that Alex has trained on all his strategies for scaling companies to $100 million plus, to showing you what you need to do in order to get your company off the ground or just fix the constraints where you are with your AI Saas app. In this first episode, we're going to show you how to get your first 5 clients using the business advisor. So what we're going to do is we're going to type down here in the search bar, how to get my first users for my AI Saas app. After that, the AI is going to go through all of Alex's knowledge and show us what we should do. What it does is first ask you questions about what you're trying to input, so you can get full knowledge on what you actually want. So over here, it's going to ask you 5 questions so you can get more knowledge about what you actually want. So the 5 questions that is brought up for this is, who is the exact user you built this for? Job title, industry, example, e-commerce owner doing 50 to 250K a month. What's the core problems as outcome in one sentence? What counts as a user for you? Free sign up, trial, paid? What warm assets do you already have? Can you do concierge onboarding for your first 5 clients? Share screen, done with you, custom prompt templates, yes or no? So I'm going to answer these 5 questions and we're going to see what it tells us to do. So these are the 5 answers I've inputted into answer all of these questions. Question 1 is for AI SaaS entrepreneurs doing 20K a month. Number 2, scaling their business to 100K a month. Number 3, paid users at $49 a month. 4, paid advertising and free content. And 5, done with you share screen for onboarding. Let's see what it spits out for us. If you would also like to learn more about building your own AI SaaS app, we've created the SaaS Left Off page on Skool. In here, we'll show you how to build and ship your MVP within 14 days alongside me and my team. We'll teach you how to advertise it, scale it, and send it out to the world. This month, we also have a giveaway. If you enter this month, you also stand a chance to win Alex Hormzis' $100 million Playbooks, all inside of a sealed box. The community is currently at $49 a month, but will be increasing after the first 100 users, so make sure to get in soon. All you need to do to join is click the link down below in the description of this video, and you can join us, and I'll see you on the next onboarding call. So now back to the information that AI has gotten for us. So what is created for us is the Founding 5 Sprint, 48 hours. It says that you don't need more ads. You need 5 human beings that are willing to pay for your product. So these are the 5 steps it wants us to do. To package your offer, what they buy today. Founding members, $49 a month charter for the first 5 only. Grandfather price. This means I'll have this price for lifetime access, and even if you increase the prices, it will stay the same. Similar like our school community, where it's now $49 a month, but after the first 100 users, we'll increase it to $99 a month, but the first 100 users will still have it at $49 a month. Afterwards, we're going to create a done with you onboarding. This is live one-on-one sessions that you'll use to show them how to use your app. You also give them a 30-day no questions asked guarantee. Next is giving us the exact outreach targets. AI SaaS founders doing 20K a month. Number 3 is a DM script. Copy and paste with a customized one-line link. So quick one for fellow AI SaaS founders at 20K monthly recurring revenue. I'm running a tiny Founding 5 cohort to install your app's name with me on a live screen share so you can get a tangible growth within 60 minutes. Value we can charter is $49 a month, which includes me doing the setup for you, plus templates. If it's not worth multiple of that within 30 days, I give you a refund the same day. Close. Want the details? 15-minute fit check tomorrow or today. What works? So number 4 is the 15-minute fit call agenda. The first 2 minutes confirm the current revenue and goal, 20K to 100K. The next part, do a quick screen share. Show exactly how it plugs in and the first win they'll get this week. Then you have proof, raw product, ideally live, showing them what your product actually does. And then the last 3 minutes, your offer, your guarantee, and the urgency. I'm taking 5 a charter. 2 are in, want one? Next, you have your onboarding call, as small as possible. Install together, load the templates, trigger the first measurable outcome. Book their 14-day check-in before you hang out. Scarcity, urgency beats data. Think about it. Then proof capture is a non-negotiable for you. You need proof to show other clients that what you do actually works. You can do screenshots, looms of the win, plus 2-line testimonials, raw, timestamp, founder face if possible. Build your proof stack now. It sells the next 50. So after, it gives you your next 48-hour schedule. So today's morning, finalize offer copy, list 100 targets, send 50 DMs. Today's PM, 15-minute fit calls, close 2, on board immediately. Tomorrow morning, follow up plus 50 more DMs. Tomorrow PM, those remaining 3, on board, collect proof. So now it's giving you the exact action steps you need to take in order to get your first 5 clients. You follow through this checklist and do what it says, and I'm sure you'll get your first 5 too. Comment down below any constraints you are having in your AI Saas App. And in the next video, I could be taking your problem and adding it into Alex Hormzis' AI Business Advisor to solve your problems for you. I'll see you in the next video.